Hi everybody, I'm Tammy Skomoroski and I'm with the Best Life Network. And today I just want to talk to you about Dorothy and the Wizard of Oz. Dorothy was living in that gray world on the farm, that workaday life, that lackluster, and she had this yearning and this desire, and Toto really represented that desire that she had within her, because Toto did not want to be confined in that basket that the neighbor had him in. He ran away from there. And even when the tornado was coming, Toto did not want to be held captive in that cellar. So once again, he left. And this represents that longing that we all have. And Dorothy went after him. She went after that longing. She grabbed him up. She took him to the comfort and the safety and the security of her room. And then that tornado picked them up, spun them off, and dropped them in a land full of color and laughter and dancing and desire and just so much enjoyment. Well, we want to bring that color and enjoyment to you. So I hope that you'll join us at You Venture.